If you want to take screenshot on POCO F7 Pro, we have a couple of ways to do so. The first shortcut that you can use in order to take the screenshot is by using the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will immediately capture the screenshot. The second method to capture the screenshot is by using 3 fingers, and you can swipe from the top towards the bottom like this. As you can see, we can capture it like that as well. You can once again use 3 fingers, but now we can just press and hold on the screen in order to select the area that we want to capture. So instead of capturing the full screen, we can capture only a selected area. Of course, you can still customize the area once you select it. And there we go. We have some different shapes as well and additional options at the bottom, but essentially we can press save in order to save our partial screenshot. And the third method that allows us to take a screenshot is by going to the control center. In the control center, you might be able to find this button over here, the scissors, which is the screenshot option. In case you don't have that option, remember that you can edit the control center. And that's pretty much it. Some of these options can actually be disabled, more precisely if you go to settings and choose additional settings, and then go to gesture shortcuts. Over here we have these 2 combinations for the full screenshot, and there's also 3 fingers for partial screenshot. And last but not least, we can also capture a long screenshot. In order to do so, we need to have an app or a website on which we can scroll. So for example, I'm gonna go to the Google app over here. So now we can capture the screenshot using any of the methods that you know, and then we have the scroll option. So after going to scroll, we can swipe up in order to keep expanding the screenshot. For some reason, it goes really slowly. It's like not working properly for some reason. As you can see, I'm trying to swipe up all the time and it's not working. But once you are done, once you select the area, then we can press done at the bottom, and there we go. Here's our full screenshot. We have some additional tools over here. You can press this check in the top right corner to save it. And if you go, for example, to the gallery, then you should be able to open the full screenshot. You can just zoom in and scroll. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.